section, we will learn that how to control the numbers formatting with the help of conditional formatting. Okay. So for example, you can see months from January to December, and these are sales numbers, particularly in definitely in millions, right? But we want to format these numbers in more readable way. So we are required to create a sort of interface where we have some buttons here. So when I click on millions, these numbers automatically convert into millions, not as full figures. So when I click on thousands, these amounts should get updated as a thousands automatically, right? So how to do the number formatting within the conditional formatting? So let me just perform this. Okay, I will go to the developer tab, and I will click on insert, and this time I will take option button in the form controls. Okay, and I will simply draw it on my spreadsheet. Wherever you would like to draw it, you can draw. And I would like to have two buttons here. One for the thousands. When I click on thousands, the numbers should format themselves as a thousands category, and once for the millions. To rename the option button, it's very simple. Definitely right click and then select the option which is edit text. So I have written here rupees in millions. Okay, you can write in short ways as well, MN or anything you would like to. Okay, or if your currency is not in rupees, in any other currency, either in dollars or anything, you can write that. So rupees in millions, and then here we will write rupees in thousands. Okay, we are also required to link this option button with a blank cell as well, so that we can create a logic here. So I will right click on this option button, and from this contextual menu I will go to format control. Okay, and here I have a category, a field that is called cell link. So I will select any blank cell and I will press OK. So whenever I click on this first option button, which is rupees in thousands, the cell generates 1. When I click rupees in millions, the cells generates 2. And now based on this logic, I will definitely transform these full numbers into this specific category, okay, with the help of conditional formatting. So let's get started. Now the next step would be selecting the entire sales column and go to the conditional formatting and click on new rule. And you will say that equals to if this cell is equals to 1. Okay, if F5 cell is equals to 1, when it will be 1? When I will click on rupees in thousands. So whenever I will click on rupees in thousands, the cell will generate 1. So I am saying to the Excel conditional formatting is if F5 is equals to 1, then go to the format, number format, custom, and here I can definitely give a custom formatting for these full numbers. So what I need is hashtag means any number. Hashtag means any number, either it's small numbers or the large numbers or any positive number, negative number. But technically, if you know the custom formatting rules, you know that here specifically in the custom area you have 4 sections. First for the positive numbers, then for the negative numbers, then 0, and then general text. So hashtag means any number available in the cell, comma, again hashtags for the comma formatting, and then I will use comma one more time for the thousand separator. Okay, so the last comma which you are seeing here is working as a thousand separator, so it eliminates last 3 digits from a number. Okay, so that's the required format which we are required. Okay, and I will press OK. So when I click on rupees in thousands, now you can see that your all numbers have got transformed into thousands category. And similarly, again, I will select this column, and I will now generate a logic for the rupees in millions as well. So I will again go to the conditional formatting, and from here I will create a new rule. Okay. Now here I will again say that if F5 is equals to 2, now for this is for the millions. So whenever I will click on this second option button, rupees in millions, the cell will generate 2. So if F5 is equals to 2, I will go to the format, number, custom, and here hashtag means any number. And then I will use 1000 separator, that will eliminate the last 3 digits. I will again use one more 1000 separator, that will again eliminates the last 3 digits. And I also want, because I will be transforming all those sales number into the million, so I need to see in decimals as well after 2 digits of decimal. So I will write .00 here. Okay, and I will press OK. So now you can see that whenever I click on rupees in millions, all the sales number are in millions. So I can tell my boss that in March we have done 9.19 million sales. If he asks in rupees and thousands, I will just click on rupees and thousands and he can see all the amounts rupees and thousands. So you can create more than 2 categories as well, depend on your situation. We have also observed that in industry now you have some of the amounts rupees in trillions as well. So, but in this webinar, in this series, you have learned that how to transform the full numbers into the customized number formats with the help of conditional formatting.